Now we will discuss the reaction of metals with water. We just discussed the reaction of metallic oxide with water, but now we are going to discuss reaction of metals with water. The reactivity of metals with water is also linked to the reactivity series. This also depends the position on the position of metal in reactivity series. The metals which lie above the hydrogen in reactivity series react with water and form metallic oxide and hydrogen gas. So you can see hydrogen is here. So these metals will react with water and they will form hydrogen gas and metal oxide. So we can write word equation metal plus water is equal to metal oxide plus hydrogen. This reactivity is also different for different metals. Metals such as sodium and potassium placed higher in the reactivity series. They react with water vigorously and form sodium hydroxide hydrogen gas, and they react vigorously, so they produce large amount of heat. For example, sodium react with water H2O, so it forms sodium hydroxide hydrogen gas plus heat. This produced heat is so enough that it burns oxygen immediately. The amount of heat will be large to burn the hydrogen. Magnesium also reacts with water. The reaction of calcium with water is less vigorously, and it also produced hydrogen. Hydrogen gas will be in the form of bubbles. The heat produced will be less, so it will not burn the hydrogen. Calcium plus water calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Here the amount of heat will be less. Metals such as aluminium, zinc and iron react with water only when steam is passed. They do not react with cold water. Aluminium, zinc, iron. They do not react with cold water. So aluminium plus H2O. This is steam. Aluminium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So These are the reactions of metal with water. Metals such as copper, mercury, silver, gold and platinum, they do not react with water at all in any condition. Either we heat or not, that does not affect on the reactivity of copper, silver, gold and platinum with water. They do not react with water. Now we will discuss reactions with acid. Reaction of metal with acid. The elements placed above the hydrogen in reactivity series. You can see here sodium, potassium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. These metals are placed above the hydrogen. So these metals react with dilute acids and form hydrogen gas or release hydrogen gas, and they prepare their salts also. So you can say metal plus dilute acid, salt plus hydrogen. For example, calcium reacts with hydrochloric acid and forms calcium chloride plus hydrogen gas. This is calcium metal, react with dilute hydrochloric acid and forms calcium chloride, it is salt, and hydrogen gas. Some more example for sodium plus hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. So sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid and forms sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. They react with sulfuric acid also. For example, magnesium react with sulfuric acid and forms magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. So these are the reactions of acid with metals or reactions of metal with acid. Now our last heading, reaction of metals with solution of other metal salts. You already know about displacement reaction. The metals placed above in the reactivity series displace other metals in the lower reactivity. For example, you can see here ferrous and zinc. These two, ferrous and zinc. So suppose zinc react with ferrous sulfate. This is the solution of ferrous salt, ferrous sulfate and zinc. So zinc replaces ferrous and forms zinc sulfate plus ferrous. So the more reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal from its salt solution. Zinc, which is more reactive than ferrous, displace it from its solution. This is called the displacement reaction. So today we discussed chemical properties of metals. That's all. Thank you.